In this video, we will try to solve a numerical on profit maximization. The question is like this. The market demand function of a firm is given by, that is 4p plus x minus 16 is equal to 0, where p is the price and x is the output. And also we are given the average cost as 4 divided by x plus 2 minus 3x plus 0.05 x square. This is the average cost function. Find the value of x which maximizes profit, okay, where x is output and p is price. So we have to see what is the maximum profit for the given firm. Okay, first I will write profit maximization condition is simply, as we know from so many videos, that marginal revenue should be equal to marginal cost. This is the profit maximization condition. Now what we are given here, we are given a demand function. Okay, so we will write this very demand function first, that is 4p plus x minus 16 is equal to 0. So we will first solve this very demand function for price, that is we will find the inverse demand function. Okay, so this will come out to be, we can write like this, 4p, we will transpose all other terms. So if we transpose minus 16, this will become plus 16. Okay, if we transpose x, this will become minus x. Or we can write p is equal to, and we will transpose this 4 to the RHS. So this will become 16 divided by 4 minus x divided by 4, which comes out to be 16 by 4 is 4, and we have x divided by 4. This is our inverse demand function, that is 4 minus x divided by 4. Okay, now to find the marginal revenue, first we have to find the total revenue. Now we can calculate the total revenue, which is simple. Total revenue is equal to price times quantity, that is x here. Okay, now what is our price? It is given, that is 4 minus x divided by 4, and to these terms we will multiply this x. Okay, so this comes out to be 4x minus x into x is x square divided by 4. This is the total revenue function. Okay, now since we have to find the marginal revenue is simply the derivative of total revenue, that is marginal revenue is the derivative of total revenue function, first derivative of total revenue function with respect to quantity, that is x. So we will differentiate this very function with respect to x. So this is the derivative of x is 1, so 4 into 1 is 4. Okay, minus the derivative of x square is 2x, so this will become 2x divided by 4. I know you know the power function rule. This 2 becomes coefficient and exponent is subtracted by 1. Okay, or we can write 4 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2 x. That means our marginal revenue is equal to 4 minus, we can write in place of 1 by 2, 0.5x. Okay, this is our marginal revenue. Now we have to find the marginal cost. For that we are being given the average cost, that is average cost is equal to 4 by x plus 2 minus 3x plus 0.05 x square. Okay, so since this is the average cost, we have to find the total cost first, that is to find marginal cost we need total cost. Okay, total cost can be calculated from average cost, that is if we multiply average cost by x, that is by quantity, we will get the total cost, then we will differentiate, we will get the marginal cost. That means first we will find total cost function, that is total cost function is simply average cost times quantity produced, which is equal to 4 divided by x plus 2 minus 3x plus 0.05 x square. Okay, and to this we multiply the quantity, which is x, which comes out to be 4x divided by x plus 2x, since this x is multiplied to each of these terms, minus 3x square plus 0.05. Now x into x is x cube here. So this is our total cost. Now marginal cost, or we can write this this x and x will get cancelled. Okay, so our marginal cost would be then the derivative of total cost function with respect to quantity, which is x. The derivative of 4 is 0. The derivative of the constant is always 0. So here it is 0. We have the derivative of x is 1, so 2 into 1 is 2. Okay, the derivative of x square is 2x. X square, its derivative is 2x by power function rule. So we have 2x in place of x. Now 2x into 3 is 6x. Okay, 6x. Now here also the derivative of x cube is simply 3x. So we have 3 into 0.05, which comes out to be 0.15 x. Sorry, it is here square, because this 3 becomes a coefficient and this power is subtracted by 1 by power function rule. So it is here 0.15 x square. Okay, now we will use the profit maximization condition. So our profit maximization condition is that marginal cost and marginal revenue should be equal. Our marginal cost is this, so I will write 2 minus 6x plus 0.15 x square should be equal to this is our marginal revenue, which is 4 minus 0.5x. Okay, I hope I am making myself clear. Now what will we do? We'll just transpose these very terms on LHS. So 2 minus 4 will become minus 2. Okay, we have minus 6x. When we transpose this minus 0.5x to LHS, this will become plus 0.5. So this comes out to be minus 5.5 x. Okay, also we have this plus 0.15 x square, which is equal to 0. Now we will write this is the quadratic equation. We will write it in the standard form. By standard we mean first we write the highest power, then the next one, then the last one. That is, we write the power in decreasing order. So highest power is to this x square, so we will write 0.15 x square. Next comes this minus 5.5 x, and lastly comes this minus 2, which is equal to 0. And we have to solve this very quadratic function. Okay, now let me rub this out here. So this is our quadratic equation, and we will use directly the quadratic formula. This is a coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x is minus 5.5. This is b, and this is our c. So I can write a is here 0.15, b is minus 5.5, and c is minus 2. And we will use a quadratic formula. Quadratic formula is simply that is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 2 times a. Okay, now we just plug the values here. So we have minus from the formula. The value of b is minus 5.5. Okay, plus minus, sorry for the background noise, I cannot control them. Okay, Now in place of b we have minus 5.5, so this is minus 5.5 square minus 4 from formula times a is our 0.15, 0.15, and our c is minus 2, so I will write here minus 2. Okay, under root divide by 2 times the value of a is 0.15, 0.15. Now we will solve this. Now minus into minus is plus, so we are here with plus 5.5 plus minus b square, okay, minus 5.5 whole square, which comes out to be 30.25, because whenever we have a number, we have a negative number, and uh, it has an exponent of even nature, that is the power is even, then this minus becomes plus. Okay, any number, any negative, let us say we have minus 1 raised to the power even number, okay, it comes out to be positive, our value comes out to be positive. So minus 5.5 into minus 5.5, sorry, is equal to 30.25 minus, we have here minus into minus, the minus of this minus minus is plus, so I will write here plus. Now 0.4 into 0.15 into 2, which comes out to be, I have calculated it, this is 1.2 divided by twice a, 2 into 0.15, okay, this comes out to be 0.3. okay, we have 5.5 plus minus, now 30.25, this 30.25 plus 1.2, which comes out to be, we will see here, this is 5, we have 2 plus 2 is 4 point, we have 1 3, 31.45 divided by 0.3, okay, or we can write like this 5.5 plus minus the under root of 31.45, if I have calculated it clearly, it comes out to be 5.6, so I will write here 5.6 in place of this, divided by 0.2, okay. Now this is 11.1 divided by 0.3. When solving, this comes out to be 37. That means we were actually calculating the value of x, which was our output. That means x is equal to 37. That is the amount of output which can maximize the profits would be 37. Okay, I hope I make myself clear in this video. Thank you.